Welcome to day 23 of the Hero Podcast, here with me, Superman. We are experiencing the aftermath of the cryptocurrency crash 2017. Now they say what goes up must come down. And what we experienced on Wednesday was a market cap of $91 billion. There was $91 billion invested into the cryptocurrency market, and as of today, it reached as low as 57 million. So essentially that means $35 billion went out of the market. Why? Well, all we have to do is take a look at Bitcoin. Because at the moment, Bitcoin is, at the moment it's doing okay. But it was at 1800. In fact, I think it went down to 1700. Which is insane. It's insane because this was a cryptocurrency bubble that was just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And everybody was just getting in. This is the hot... Currently, this is the hot, trendy thing to do to make money online, is invest in cryptocurrencies. And the bubble just got too big and it burst. Okay, look, here was the bubble accumulating size and then boom, went, boosh, just like that. And Bitcoin lost a ton of money in the process. You know, this was $2,700 literally 2 days ago. 2 days ago. It has lost $700, and at its worst, I think it lost $1,000. Ethereum has gone right down to, this was at $180. It's gone down now to $153. In fact, I think this was over $200. So, it has just tanked bad. Okay, and I woke up this morning to some amazing prices. The first thing that I looked at this morning was my deposits and withdrawals. I had $450 in here yesterday, and when I looked this morning, I had $240. Yes, it was whittled down by 50%, and now it is on the way back up. So the bubble popped. And is this a good thing? Yes, this is a glorious thing. If you're watching this right now, get on Poloniex. If you haven't yet started cryptocurrency trading, follow the exact steps I went through yesterday and get on Poloniex or Bittrex or whatever exchange platform you want to go on, whether it's Bittrex, Kraken, Bitfinex or Poloniex. I'm sticking to Poloniex because I love the way the whole interface looks. Get on there and start investing. Okay? The reason I say that is because it's just going down. It's now slightly on the up. This morning, about 3 hours ago, would have been the ideal time to be awake and investing. Steam. I bought a load of Steam last night. And I bought it at 41,661. It reached overnight 33284. I could have got a whole quarter's more of Steam if I had waited until this point. And look at where it was in 24 hours. Look how high it got. Look at the money that could be made, actually. Because if you look, and if you had bought at this price, it's now at 3.9 and climbing. Okay, this morning when I got up, it was at 3.4. It's time to go shopping. What does the cryptocurrency crash 2017 mean that you should do? Go shopping. 35 billion was taken out, ripped away from the market, which means that a load of newbies, this is what happened. The cryptocurrency gods showed their cold, unmerciful and unforgiving hand to the newbies. This is what you're in. This is what you signed up for when you started cryptocurrency trading. Feel the wrath, and only the strong survive. Now, I am going to give you a famous quote by Baron Rothschild. And what Baron Rothschild said is, when you see blood on the streets, that is the time to go for it. That is the time to start investing. Invest when there's blood on the streets. And essentially, Baron Rothschild made a ton of money during the Napoleonic Wars. Okay? He made it because of the panic. And that is what you need to do. There was widespread panic. People were selling and dumping their stock in droves and getting out of the game, leaving only the strong to survive, for the strong now to start making gains. Cryptocurrency has gone up. Bitcoin has gone up. Bitcoin has gone up about $300 since this morning. Steam has gone right up. Now, I have missed the boat yet again on the cryptocurrency I really want, which is Digibyte. Let's look at Digibyte. Digibyte reached 441 at its lowest. I wanted it at that price. It's now gone up to 565. Look at the upward. Make the trades now because it's going up. The ones that people wanted are going up. Let's have a look at Doge, the joke coin. Doge is at 101. Look, went down to, what did it go down to? 85. That was the price it was like a week ago. Let's have a look at the 2-week view. Look, the last time it was this price, it was a week ago, it was at this price. And now it's on the way up. Everybody loves Doge. People want a bit of Doge. Get in there while the price is still low. A lot of people bought this at 190, 180. Buy it at 101. It's on the way up. Go shopping. This is the time to go shopping. All right, this is the time for the strong to show their mettle, for the cryptocurrency traders to show their mettle. The newbies and quite literally the scaredy cats, I want to call them something else, but the ones that just couldn't hack it, they've gone. They've gone. They're panicking. Oh, what am I going to do? Oh, I've lost a load of money. I'm going to run away. I don't want to touch cryptocurrency again. Ah! Stuff that crap. Go for it. This is the time to get back in. In fact, a few hours ago was, but another great time is now. Now, get in there now. Ethereum is absolutely thriving. Look at it go. Look at Ethereum go, man. It's insane. Look. It was at an incredible high at one point. It went down progressively lower, and then it sank, and now it's on the up. Look at it go. Ethereum is getting healthy again. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Buy. Buy now. You know, there's every likelihood this could go down again overnight because it has gone down and then it's probably going to go up as people start waking up in the US, the main place where people do cryptocurrency trading, and then it may go down again overnight. But you don't want to rely on that happening. Because if there's anything that I have learned doing cryptocurrency trading over the last few weeks, it's that. What you think might happen is normally different to the reality. Okay? What all the, pundits are saying, oh, get this, get that. This is going to go up, this is going to explode, this is going to be, the next big thing. Don't listen to that junk because they know nothing. And in fact, a lot of these people have actually left the game because of last night and today. Okay, it's basically gone right. They've gone. Okay, these morons that come on and say, oh, this is going to be the next big thing. This is going to be absolutely huge. You've got to get it or you're going to die and be left homeless and no money, no food, nothing if you don't invest in this. Those morons have gone. The ones that were trying to actually instill fear in people to bring the value of their cryptocurrencies up, they're gone. Don't listen to them and don't rely on the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market to save you, because it may go down a bit more, it may not. It may actually thrive because prices went so low, and what's happened is that all the big traders, all the actual professional traders, the ones that have been in this place before, this isn't the worst crash that's ever happened, and I doubt it's going to be the last crash that will ever happen. And what happens is that the actual experienced traders, they're shopping. It's sale day. It's like the biggest sale on the planet right now. Okay, fine, they've lost some money. But now what they found is an opportunity to gain money. Fund their blooming Coinbases or wallets or whatever. They're funding it and they're buying right now. Stock up, stock up. You know, a week ago, the prices, well, a few days ago, the prices were just insane. They were too high. There's a sea of red. But believe me, last night, the minuses were much worse. Okay? Steam is up to 39,000. 39,000. When I woke up this morning, it was at 34. Okay? It's already gone up a ton. If you'd have bought, you'd have redeemed some of the money that you would have lost last night. So now is the time to get in the game. Now is the time. The bubble has burst. It's gone back 10 days when prices were a bit more rational. Now is the time to get in there. Don't listen to the junk in the troll box, okay? I have found that out. A lot of people think they know what they're talking about, but they really don't. They are talking absolute garbage, a lot of them. They're talking absolute crap. Oh, yeah, one of them last night said, oh, Bitcoin is only a little slump. Bitcoin is going to be at 2,700 by the morning. Bull! That was a load of crap because it went up down to 1,700. So he was talking junk. Do not believe these idiots. Okay, pick your flavour. That is advice listen to. Okay, what have you been interested in? Okay, Digibyte have been interested in. I missed the opportunity this morning to get at 441, but I bought some anyway when it was at the top, the kind of upper 400s. Steam, I could have bought a lot more Steam. Last night I bought thousands and thousands of Steam coins, and I just had to. I had to stock up because I knew that this was a good thing. The crash is a good thing. The bubble popping is a good thing. Okay? Use this opportunity. If not today, then definitely tomorrow. But make the most of this opportunity because when people are back in the offices, you know, there's going to be no sale items left. Okay? It's the equivalent of going to a shop where they've got amazingly in-demand stock. And that in-demand stock is at rock bottom prices, at sale prices. And all the people who are serious about shopping for that stock are going in there. That is the experienced cryptocurrency traders. They're getting in there, they're buying low, and they're going to sell high. And if you miss the opportunity, then more fool you. Because you really shouldn't, because the opportunity is now. Get in there. It's not too late. The prices are going to go up. They always do. And because cryptocurrency is the hottest game right now, what's going to happen is people are just going to pump much more money back into it. Because they're going to see the time is now. And they're going to get all that stock. And by the time you get there, if you haven't yet, the stock is going to be gone. You're going to see all the empty shelves, all the hangers with all the stock off it. Everything will be gone. And you will be there left with the dregs. You'll be left with rubbish. You'll be left with stuff you don't really want to invest in. So get in there right now. It's all so very ambivalent at the moment. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. But at the moment the prices are low. Okay? Digibyte is just, look, Doge is under 100 right now. Get in there right now whilst you can. So, is the cryptocurrency bubble bursting a bad thing? No, it's not. Yes, okay, some people will have lost money. Okay, I can't say with all certainty, I'm no cryptocurrency expert. I can't say, yep, in 3 days' time it will be back to 2,700 for Bitcoin. All the currencies will be thriving. I'm not going to say that because only idiots say that kind of thing. Because if so many people had predicted last night, then there wouldn't be a load of experienced traders going on the forums saying to people, you know, now is the time to just keep your money. It happened, keep your money. We've seen it before, keep your money. They're not saying, oh yeah, I saw it coming. I took my money out while it was high. I'm now buying because it's low. No one's saying that. This happens to the best of them. Okay, so what you do is you identify the stock that you want. Okay, stock that you want. Because Ethereum is going right up now. Bitcoin is going to go back up again. And what you want to do is you want to make the most you can. Buy low, sell high. Sounds like it's, you know, kind of trading 101, buy low, sell high. But most people aren't. Most people are buying here and selling here. Last night, when people were panicking, they had probably bought around here when the bubble was really expanding. Okay, and they probably sold about here. Don't be that victim. Buy here now while the price is low. The best advice I could give you is to buy what you want right now. Okay, the entry points for these cryptocurrencies are so attractive right now. Doge is under 100. Last night I bought a ton. I bought thousands of Doge at under 100 points. It's at 98. You know, a week ago it was at 60, 160, 180. You know, don't miss out on the opportunity. The highest has been 189. Okay, right now, if you put a ton of your money into it, if it goes up to 189, people are predicting it's going to go much higher. Okay, people are predicting. Now, predictions are a dangerous thing, but this has shown you in the early stages of Doge what it's capable of. If you get it now at 97, you'll essentially double your money. Double your money. Okay, if you put 1,000 in, if it reaches this again, you get 2,000 back. If you put 10,000 in, you might get 20,000 back. If you put 100,000 in, 200,000 back. And if it goes up to another zero, if that one goes to another zero, you could make 100 times, 1,000 times as well. There's so much potential, but the time to get in there is now. It's almost like the cryptocurrency god has reset the prices back about 10 days and giving you another bite of the cherry before money gets pumped into that market cap again, and then essentially everything just rises and you're like, oh, what an idiot, I should have bought it. So get in there now. Now is the time. Okay, think back to what Baron Rothschild said. The time to buy is when people are panicking. When there's blood on the streets, blood. And this is the equivalent of that blood. Look at all that red. It's bleeding. It's bleeding. Get in there whilst the blood is still there. Even Steam has gone down right now, and I'm going to buy a ton more. So make sure you get in there now. Because even if this goes down lower, it's definitely going to go higher at some point. Look at Steam, it's already gone up. It's just going up. The market's hungry. The market right now are hungry. They got burnt by last night, and now they are looking to make amends. Make sure that you go to that store that's got all that stock you want, and you just clear it out. Go in, grab it as much as you can, clear out, and sell it for a profit. It's a bit like, it's a bit like going to, let's say, Ralph Lauren, like clothing store. Okay, it's a bit like going to a Ralph Lauren clothing store. Normally you see their clothes about $200, $300, and then all of a sudden they're discounted to like $30. You go in there, you grab a load, grab as many as you can, you sell it on eBay at a profit. That is essentially the same thing with cryptocurrency trading, right? You buy it low and you sell it high. Now is the sale. Now is the sale. Go shopping. I hope that has inspired you to take action, and I will see you in the next video.